Do you have dull skin and ever wondered how it got that way and what you can do to bring that glow back to your skin? Well, I'm going to tell you all about all of those things. But first, let's start with what causes dull skin. What would you be looking at in the mirror to even think you have dull skin? And some of the biggest factors are your environment and buildup on the skin. So obviously, it makes a lot of sense that if the skin has any type of buildup, there's almost like a shield or a blockage that's not allowing your true, beautiful, vibrant skin to shine through. So we need to take a look at that and maybe look at lifestyle choices that we are making that could be contributing to the dull skin's appearance. So part of that is that we end up having less luminosity or that vibrancy or that brightness we're looking for on our skin. And the skin might look a little bit tired. It might just look dry even, right? So the dullness can be almost like a trick to thinking that your skin is dry, when really there might be just excess buildup that we just need to get off the surface so we can show that glow. Haha, got it? Show that glow. So we have a couple of options because this type of dullness can happen any skin type. Oily, normal, dry, combo, doesn't really matter. It's really about that buildup. So if you are gonna go reach for your cleanser, and let's say you tend to be a little bit more on the drier side, part of the contributors could be lack of moisture and hydration. So that's water, oil, oil, water. Okay, so that's what we really want to look at. So you can really begin with cleansing the skin to get that accomplished, to get everything started. And today, I just wanted to bring up our beautiful Firm Skin Acai Cleanser. I personally think this is a really good, because it's very balancing, and it's a medium weight cream milky cleanser. So it does add that little extra moisture you'd be looking for. Smells beautiful, but it is quite gentle on the skin as well. So if you tend to be that normal dry skin type, you might want to reach for that kind of creamy and milky based cleanser. This one, I highly recommend. The second is if you are the other side, maybe that oily combination, even more balanced skin type, but maybe you were looking also to pore refine at the same time, we can definitely go for a gel-based cleanser. And in this particular one I want to share because it has dual purpose. Helps exfoliate the skin as well as cleanse the skin all in one, which is great for those of us who like to minimize how many products we're using in our home care routine, is the Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser. So again, great if you're more combo, but again, if you're even thinking about pore minimizing, grab this guy. Excellent. Now, to take it one step further, when we're looking at, remember, we want to kind of lift the buildup, and this could be compressed, I said, in your daily life, just activities. But those of us who wear makeup as well, right, is contributing to the buildup factor. So cleansing is amazing, but what if we need to get in a little bit further? I love exfoliation. Now you can do either one. We have the physical or mechanical type of exfoliation, which is usually like a granule or like a powder that you can mix into something, or you can be using like a natural light and soft peel to the skin as well. So today I just thought I'd just grab, I got two for you that I think are really great, and almost instant radiance happens with these things, is our Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant. You've seen this quite a few times. It's one of our best sellers. We love it. It's probably almost in every bathroom that I might, of all my friends for sure. And the reason why is that it is a physical exfoliation, but it's a dry powder. So this is one you can just pop into anything. You put it in your daily cleanser and you can just use it with water as well. I find you can do even more refining with it. If you've got an oilier T-zone, this is really great, especially if that dullness really shows up. You can just concentrate your efforts even a little bit more on those hot spots in your T-zone area. So your forehead, across the nose, and the high cheek area. And of course, there's always that little area just underneath the lower lip, in between on the chin, that tends to need a little bit of care as well. So great add to any routine, all skin types, no problem. And the other is if you want to go a little bit further and do more of a treatment. And this one is like a 3-in-1. It's going to have an exfoliation that's physical, like a granular effect. It's going to have a energizing effect to it, so you can get some nice warmth into the skin, and it has a mask benefit that really will bring that glow back to your skin. And it is, yes, if you haven't guessed it already, it is our gorgeous turmeric energizing treatment. That should just give it away right away. You link dull, you want energized, right? So this is going to be a great piece. This is a little bit more specialized, so you can definitely get a little bit more information about that on our website. And we've also done other in the mix videos to share how we use this. So please take advantage of trying this amazing and unique home care treatment that you can do a couple times a week. It's fast, it has instant gratification and care for your skin. It has a special mixing to it, so you add a little bit of water to it, creates this beautiful foamy mousse. Apply it just like a mask, leave it on for that 10 minutes, and gently rinse it off. Wow, you will have new face. I am not kidding you. So this is definitely one of my favorites, and you'll know why if you haven't had a chance to try it already. So you get all of that done. So that's all the stuff you put on and you take off, and you do that nice deep cleansing, if you want to call it. You now need your finishing product. So what are you going to do to put on your skin, leave it there to really help improve the skin? Remember, we want to lift the dullness off and we want to let that glow come through. We want to maintain it after the extra care that you've already done. Serum. Always. Serums will definitely get you closer and closer to that goal. In particular, when you're looking for ingredients to really help with energizing up the skin, brightening it up, vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid, these are all amazing ingredients. So my recommendation for all of you, if you want that, all skin types, all skin conditions, you want to have in your own routine the citrus and kale potent C&E serum. This will change your life. Well, bit of a big statement, but it changed mine. So maybe it'll change yours as well. And what do you do to leave everything on? Besides, I know I don't have to lecture you on this, SPF product, what do we want to put on before our overall end of treatment protection, which is SPF, is look for duos or things you could use AM and PM or in a combination of. One, the Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Concentrate. This is like our little secret primer for the skin as well. It really does bring luminosity and glow back to the skin. And if any of you are looking to refine and minimize the appearance of your pores, this is beautiful. It leaves a nice and I think it's like a smooth, silky finish. And if you're oilier, amazing. If you're dry, amazing. So you will all fit to use this one. The last one is number one seller, an Eminence. It is a must-have as far as I'm concerned, is our bamboo firming fluid. This is also lightweight, all skin types, but for those of us out there that might be a little moving forward in the aging department and want to help minimize the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles, this will also help gently refine the skin and reveal a beautiful glow to your skin as well. So that is a big loaded conversation we've just had, but I think most of us at some point will be experiencing dullness to our skin. So that's when you wake up, it doesn't look like it needs a little bit pep in its step. Reach for a really great cleanser. Look to refine by exfoliating the skin. Ensure that you have great serum to really take you the extra mile, and that overall leave on for glow, pore refinement, and refreshing of the skin. And don't forget your SPF. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed these great little tips, and also a way for you to recognize some things that might be happening in your own skin. I'm Natalie for another In the Mix, and as always, if you want to see more of these, don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.